From up here, Atocha doesn't look like a train station. It looks like a border between the city that rushes and the tracks that escape it. You don't just walk in, you descend. One level down, and Madrid already starts to disappear behind glass and steel. Everyone's heading somewhere, but down here, you get the feeling that time runs on rails, not on clocks. Let's see where it takes us. The platform feels still, but the train is already awake. Lights on, doors open, like it's been waiting just for you. Find your seat, settle in, and just like that, you've stepped out of Madrid without taking a single step. This line doesn't scream speed, it whispers it. One moment you're beside coffee stands and tiled walls, and then you're gone. The ride to Toledo takes barely 30 minutes, but it's packed with centuries. This train crosses more than just land. It passes through memory. Did you know the high-speed train to Toledo departs from Madrid's Puerta de Atocha? It's the busiest station in Spain and one of Europe's largest. The first rail line from Madrid to Toledo opened in the 19th century, but it wasn't fast. It passed through Aranjuez and took more than 90 minutes. The modern high-speed line opened in 2005, cutting the trip to just 33 minutes. A daily miracle for commuters. This isn't part of the long-haul AV, it's AVANT, Spain's high-speed network for medium-distance routes. The train reaches speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour, but it's so smooth you can sip coffee without spilling a drop. This high-speed line splits from the main Madrid-Seville Ave corridor. It shares the same world-class tracks, then branches toward Toledo. Spain has the second longest high-speed network in the world, and this short ride is one of its most elegant examples.
Toledo. Durante su recorrido, les anunciaremos la llegada a las estaciones con parada. La tripulación está a su disposición y en nombre de Renfe les desea un feliz viaje.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this train bound for
Toledo.
During the journey, intermediate stops will be announced. The crew will be happy to assist you and on behalf of Renfe we wish you a pleasant journey.
Información a seguir en caso de emergencia. Consultar expositores de cada coche.
Each train carriage. In the event of an emergency, follow the train crew's instructions. They will be identified with high visibility vests. If the train needs to be evacuated, follow the instructions on the corresponding signs.
As the train leaves Madrid, the city fades almost instantly. You blink, and the skyline becomes farmland. This route runs through the plains of Castilla-La Mancha, where the land stretches wide and low, with hardly a hill in sight. In spring, the fields glow green with new crops. By summer, they'll turn dry and gold, classic central Spain. You'll see scattered olive trees, low stone walls, and dry riverbeds. It's not dramatic terrain. It's quiet, steady, timeless. Wind turbines often dot the horizon in the distance. This is one of the most energy-efficient, high-speed lines in Europe. These planes once carried Roman roads and merchant caravans. Now they carry silent trains, a different kind of empire. The light here changes everything. On cloudy days, the fields are soft. In full sun, they look endless. Sometimes you pass nothing, and that's the beauty. Out here, silence is the scenery. You're not just watching Spain go by, you're watching the rhythm between cities, the pause, the breath, the space. This train is used daily by locals, not just tourists. Many live in Toledo and work in Madrid. Fast rail makes it possible. There are no stops between Madrid and Toledo. It's direct, clean, and efficient. 33 minutes, start to finish. Despite the speed, the ticket price is affordable. It's one of the most accessible high-speed routes in the country. Trains depart every hour during the day. You never have to rush. There's always another ride. The line's electricity comes from renewable sources. That means you're crossing Spain with a lighter footprint. Even in motion, you feel still. That's the genius of Spain's rail design. Fast without the noise. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
train has stopped, and do not forget your personal belongings. Thank you for your attention.
And then, just like that, Toledo appears. It doesn't rise, it waits. You arrive in one of the oldest cities in Spain, once the capital, always a symbol of history and culture. Toledo Station was built in 1990 and it still looks like a palace. Neo-Mudéjar design, horseshoe arches, and tiled beauty, a true arrival. Toledo Station wasn't just a terminal, was a statement. Built to impress, inspired by Islamic architecture, and still jaw-dropping over a century later. Spain chose to keep the old station rather than modernize it, because sometimes beauty matters more than efficiency. This ride may be short, but you're crossing the historical heart of Castile, where kings ruled, knights marched, and empires rose and fell. Stepping off the train here feels like changing centuries, from glass and speed to stone and silence. This isn't just a destination, it's a reminder of what Spain used to be and what still endures. In 33 minutes, you leave modern Madrid and step into a city built by Romans, ruled by Visigoths, and shaped by 3 religions. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Sí.